Today's Xiaomi Mi 9 all-color phone unboxing and first look. Let's watch now. Mi 9, the latest flagship smartphone from Xiaomi, was launched on Wednesday at an event in Beijing, China. Arriving as a successor to last year's Mi 8, the Mi 9 sports an all-curved design along with a holographic illusion finish and comes with a multifunctional NFC chip as well as a dual-frequency GPS module. Key highlights of Xiaomi's Mi 9 include a triple rear camera setup along with a 48-megapixel primary sensor, game turbo technology, 90.7% screen-to-body ratio, and a 5th-generation in-display fingerprint sensor. Xiaomi also brought the Mi 9 Transparent Edition and Mi 9 SE models, but no mention of the anticipated Mi 9 Explorer Edition was made. Xiaomi Mi 9 comes with a slightly high price tag. But considering the features of the device, one will like to go for it. It has an amazing camera, battery backup, and an amazing display that will let the user enjoy every video and games. A device overall is a great option. If budget is not an issue, one can surely purchase this great handset from Xiaomi. Amazing device. Display and configuration. The Xiaomi Mi 9 flaunts a 6.4-inch AMOLED display having a 1080 by 2880 pixels and a density of 503 ppi, which can provide an immersive visual experience. It comes with a slim bezel display having the aspect ratio of 18.7:9, which provide a stylish view. Under the hood, it is equipped with a Cryo 485 octa-core processor setup, a 2.84 GHz single-core and a 2.42 GHz tri-core and a 1.8 GHz quad-core, seated on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset. The processor is assisted by the massive 6GB RAM and Adreno 640 GPU that will provide a smooth multitasking and gaming experience. Camera and battery. The camera of the device is provided with the triple rear sensors having 48MP plus 12MP plus 16MP lenses which can capture amazing pictures. It features XMRR CMOS sensor, phase detection autofocus, and dual-color LED flash which can enhance the photography experience. At the front, it has a 20MP lens that can capture mesmerizing selfies users will love to share. It can also assist with an awesome video calling experience. To keep the device running, there is a 3,500 mAh polymer battery that can provide immense power to keep it active for a long time. It also features the quick charging support that can fill the battery in a short time. Thus, users will get ample power backup with a single charging. Storage and connectivity. The device has an inbuilt storage of a massive 64GB which is alone enough to suffice the requirement of the users. There is no external memory slot. For the connectivity, it comes with 4G VoLTE support, Wi-Fi 800 2.11, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS with a GPS.